2024 could be a year defined by uncertainty, as shifts in global policy and regulation have raised questions for investors and companies on how best to implement their sustainability ambitions. For example, in Canada, Bill C-59 took positive steps towards addressing greenwashing while also raising concerns related to its enforcement and implications for the market. With any industry undergoing maturation, there will be growing pains. However, we believe global concerted efforts towards creating standards around regulation and policy will help support the growth of this industry. The year also continued the trend of increasing frequency and severity of extreme weather, with insured losses in Canada tripling those of 2023. This was headlined by events like the Jasper fires, flash floods in Toronto, and this wasn't just a Canadian issue. We saw extreme weather around the world increase, including significant landfalls of hurricanes in the United States, creating devastating economic damage. It is clearer than ever that climate-related risks are financial risks. CIBC Asset Management is focused on ensuring that sustainability-related risks and opportunities are appropriately considered within our investment processes. We're committed to transparency to ensure that our clients are empowered with the information needed to make informed investment decisions. In 2024, we enabled our investment teams with more data and tools to ensure that we make well-informed investment decisions on behalf of our clients. We also supported our teams through the formalization of a framework to assess top-down macro-related ESG risks, including understanding how climate-related risks can impact economies, countries, and currencies worldwide. And this research will support our asset allocation work, our work related to sovereign bonds, as well as currencies. We also worked on enhancing our processes related to active ownership. We recognize that our influence with policymakers and companies presents a positive impact to portfolios. We included formalizing frameworks associated with the escalation, identification of opportunities, tracking, and reporting so that we can best keep our investors informed of the change that we affect within our portfolio companies. And we'll continue our advancement of our sustainability-related work throughout 2025. 2025 looks to be an inflection point for the sustainability industry. Changing policy in the US market will have reverberating effects across the globe. We are also upcoming on COP30, which is where countries will bring their new nationally determined contributions or their commitments to decarbonization to the global stage. We also will see a significant maturation in certain markets to fight climate change. In particular, we expect the carbon removal market to accelerate in its fight to remove carbon emissions from the atmosphere and help countries and companies achieve their net zero ambitions. It's an exciting year ahead. The most important thing investors should take away from 2024 is that sustainability-related considerations are a critical part of investing. And at CIBC Asset Management, we are well positioned to consider these factors and deliver positive investment results for you, our clients.